Happy harvest! Today we're looking at these beautiful and beneficial vegetable, the sponge gourd. These are the fresh ones. This is edible and this is the dried version. There will be seeds inside. Since they're already dried, they're all ready to be sowed. There are a lot of seeds in the small sponge gourd. Let's see how to crack it open to get the natural scrub. That's it, guys. Now it'll just peel off like an eggshell. See? That's so cool, right? Here we get the natural scrub. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you.